Please subscribe and click the hype and like button to get more content like this. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes. To show you how to protect yourself, all demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment on our own testing devices. We never target real users, and using this knowledge to gain unauthorized access to actual people or systems is strictly illegal and unethical. In this demonstration, we will see how to set up Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a Debian-based operating system that is widely used by hackers and penetration testers for security assessments. To install Kali Linux, we need two things: the Kali Linux ISO file and a virtualization platform, such as VirtualBox. Let's begin with downloading the Kali Linux ISO file. Open your web browser, go to the search bar, and type kali.org. You will land on the official Kali Linux website. Click on the download button located in the middle of the screen. You will now see several platform options available for Kali Linux. Let's choose the second option, Virtual Machines. Click on Recommended for virtual machines. You will get several options to download the VM, such as Hyper-V, QEMU, VMware, and VirtualBox. Let's select VirtualBox. Click the download arrow button present at the bottom of VirtualBox option. In the pop-up window, choose the location where you want to save the file and click the Save button on the bottom right of the pop-up window to begin the download. While Kali Linux is downloading, open a new tab and search for VirtualBox. From the search results, click on the first link, Oracle VirtualBox. You'll see the VirtualBox homepage. In the interface, click on Download button under the Get Started section on the right. Next, under VirtualBox Platform Packages, click on the first option, Windows Hosts. Choose the file location in the pop-up window, and then click Save to begin downloading the installer. Once both files are successfully downloaded, you will have the Kali Linux zip file and the VirtualBox installer. To extract, right-click on the Kali Linux zip file, select Extract All, and then click Extract in the pop-up window. While the extraction is in progress, note that it may take some time, so let us proceed with installing VirtualBox. Double-click on the VirtualBox installer. Then, follow the setup instructions by clicking Next, accept the license agreement terms, and click on Next, and now, click on Yes, Next, and finally click on Install to complete the installation. Click on Finish once the setup is done. Once VirtualBox is installed and the Kali Linux file has been fully extracted, open the extracted folder. Double-click on the blue icon file inside the folder. Then, in VirtualBox, click on Tools at the top of the left sidebar and select Add. Browse to the desktop, select the Kali Linux file, and click Open. After the file loads, double-click on the blue icon file again to launch the virtual machine. It will automatically configure and open within VirtualBox. Click on Start arrow button located at the top to boot Kali Linux. We can see that the Kali Linux is starting. When prompted for login credentials, enter username, Kali as the username, and for password, enter Kali. Click Login. For a better viewing experience, switch to full screen mode. Next, click on the terminal emulator located at the top left corner to open the terminal. In the terminal, type sudo su and press enter. When prompted, enter the password, Kali. You are now logged in as root, which gives you administrative privileges. Now type sudo apt update and press enter. Again, enable full screen mode so you can view the interface comfortably. With that, the setup of Kali Linux is complete.